Home appliance control using Bluetooth. In the modern days, everyone uses smartphones, and every smartphone has Bluetooth system. In this project, we will design a simple Arduino Bluetooth control home appliance control system, using HC-05 Bluetooth module, which is used to switch on or off different electrical appliances remotely. This system can make our life easy and secure. Here we will control a 230-volt home appliance using smartphone app through Bluetooth communication. Here is the connection diagram of this project. HC-05 has 4 main pins: VCC, ground, RX, and TX. VCC pin is connected with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. TX pin of HC-05 will transmit the data to the Arduino, so it will be connected with the RX pin of Arduino. RX pin of HC-05 will receive the data from Arduino, so it will be connected with the TX pin of Arduino. Relay module works on 5-volt power supply. It has 3 main pins: VCC, ground, and input. Connect the VCC pin with 5-volt pin, ground pin with the ground pin, and input pin with pin number 11 of Arduino. This is the code of our project. Incoming value. This variable will store the received data. Initially we will set its value to 0. We have declared an integer type variable relay, which will give his output to pin number 11. Void setup is a function in which we initialize the serial communication. 9600 is the speed of data communication. Data will transmit between HC-05 and Arduino with the speed of 9600 bits per second. We have made pin 11 an output pin. Void loop. This function will run over and over again forever, so whatever we have written inside it will repeat forever. If serial dot available greater than 0, it means if any data will be received, then program will go under this loop. Incoming value variable will store the received data. If received data is 1, then relay will turn on. If received data is 0, then relay will turn off. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code has been uploaded to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. Connect the red, black, green, and yellow wire with the VCC, ground, TX, and RX pin of HC-05 Bluetooth module. Connect the red wire of HC-05 Bluetooth module with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the green wire with the RX pin, and yellow wire with TX pin of Arduino. We will take a 2-pin power cable and connect it with the relay. We will connect one wire of the power cable with the relay directly. We will connect a red wire with the common pin of relay module. We will connect this red wire and second wire of power cable with the bulb holder. Now we will connect a red wire with the VCC pin of relay, black wire with the ground pin, and a orange wire at its input pin. Now connect this relay module with Arduino. Connect the red wire of the relay module with the 5-volt pin of Arduino. Connect the black wire with the ground pin, and orange wire with pin number 11 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. Download the app, Arduino Bluetooth Control, from the Play Store. We will pair our mobile phone with the HC-05 Bluetooth module. For doing this, go to Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. Now select HC-05. Enter the passcode 1234. Now open the app. Connect with HC-05. Open the terminal. When we send 1, then relay will turn on. When we send 0, then relay will turn off. Our project is working as expected. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project, or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.